Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the interface language in Zangi. Now let us begin. Do note that we have already logged into our account and I have also created a tutorial regarding how to as well. So worry not, you guys can simply view that video. Initially what you guys need to do is simply go to settings. At the bottom right, you can see a gear-like icon right here. Click on it right now. And once you do that, you will be redirected to the settings page. From here, what you guys need to do is simply scroll down till you see something called as Zangi languages. Well, you note that there are lots of other options, but right now all we're gonna focus on is this thing called as Zangi languages. Click on it. And guys, that is it. From here, simply select the language of your choice. I'm gonna select one right now. And once you do that, as you guys can see, the language has been changed. Well guys, that is it. That's how we change language or simply the interface language in Zangi. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.